Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add your Google Keep widget into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add the widget into your Android device from the Google Keep, you just simply have to tap into your home screen for a while and then you will get the option of widgets into here. Just simply tap into that option and then you will get to see the search bar into the top. Just simply tap into search bar and search for the Google Keep. Then after that, you will get to see this Keep Notes option from Google Keep application. You just simply have to tap into this drop down besides the Keep Notes and then you can easily see all of the widgets that Google Keep provides. Now, I'm adding this first widget into my home screen. In order to do that, just simply tap into widget and tap into add option. Then after that, simply choose your account into here and then your Google Keep widget will successfully be added into here. This way you can easily add any Google Keep widget into your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.